Hello guys, my name is Mukanya. I'm a CEO and founder at JTDev. For today's video, we're going to cover logical operators. So what is logical operator? A logical operator allows also to combine multiple conditions. Let's make use of an example. So we're going to say age is greater than 17 and salary salary is great or equals to 5,000. Okay, so this will be 8, but for best practice, always repeat with parentheses to avoid bugs. So bugs is going to give you the wrong, you expecting a correct result, but you get a wrong result. So that is actually what bugs is. Okay. So now let's see the logic behind the AND operator. And not that. So if we have true and false, so the answer will be false because there is a word false. So true and true, it should be true. False and false, the answer will be false. False and true, the result will be false. Okay. So moving to the O. Okay, before we move to O, we need to see the result, yeah? Logical operators. The answer is true. Okay, so let's see what will be with O. Okay, so before we jump to O, I need to show you its logic. Or you can use O, this or R, or you can use a pub. Okay, so for this one, you can use this AND over here, A and D. So true or false, the result will be true. False or true, the result will be true. And then false or false, the answer will be false. And then true or true, the result will be true. Okay. So at least, or it means that at least there's a truth. There's a truth somewhere. So and is even though there's a lie, if someone is it's if it there's a false, or even though someone provide a wrong information, then everything is false. You know. But this one they're giving you a second chance before. It's giving you a second chance. So I'm just going to make a copy of the statement. So this copy it. Then we can say is greater than 5,000. If it's greater than 5,000, then the statement. Okay, so let me replace this one with all. Okay, so the statement is totally, it will be false because 5,000 right here is not greater than this 5,000 over here. And so if it's equals, then it's equals to. But if we had like a 5,001, if I hope I should saying that correct. Um, so that would be okay. So in this case, this one will be false and this one will be true, and then the answer will be true. So let's see, and then it's true, and then if it's end, So let me try with this end over here and see if it's going to work. Then we're expecting a false. We're expecting a false. Okay. All right. And then the last one will be not. So not I don't know why it's there, but to me it makes sense if you want to implement on something that will do on and off. So you want it to the same button to be enable, and then you want the same button to be disabled. Enable and disable. So enable if a particular condition met, if it's true, and then when it becomes false, then you want that button to be disabled. Okay, disable means that not to be clickable anymore. Okay, so let's use an example of footnotes. So we have this one. Both is true, then we know the final result will be true. So we can convert it back to false. Then you can just use not. Then the entire statement of true will be false. Okay. All right.